In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessages if they're not sending, or if iMessage just isn't working as it should. If you've ever experienced that frustrating moment when you try to send a message and it just won't go through, don't worry. We've got a step-by-step guide here to help you resolve this common issue, and hopefully by the end of this video, your iMessages will be back to normal. First things first, let's check your network connection. This is often the main culprit when iMessages fail to send, so it's crucial to ensure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has mobile data enabled. Simply head over to your settings and confirm your connection status. A strong and stable connection will often resolve sending issues, so don't skip this step. Next, let's try restarting iMessage itself. To do this, navigate to your Messages settings by going to Settings, then scrolling to Apps and tapping on Messages. Here, you'll want to toggle iMessage off and then back on again. Give it a few moments to reset and see if that solves the issue. Often, this little trick can refresh your connection and get everything back on track. If toggling iMessage doesn't work, another simple fix is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a reboot is all it takes to solve minor glitches. Just power off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary software issues that might be preventing your messages from going through. Another essential step is to check your date and time settings. It might sound unrelated, but incorrect settings here can actually interfere with your iMessages. Head over to Settings, tap on General, then Date and Time. Ensure that Set Automatically is turned on. This ensures that your phone's internal clock is in sync, which can even affect message sending and receiving. Now, if you're still having trouble, try resetting your network settings. Keep in mind that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you know them before proceeding. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset Network Settings. This action will give your network settings a fresh start, which can resolve issues disrupting your iMessage connectivity. Finally, check if there are any iOS updates available. Sometimes software updates can fix underlying bugs that cause iMessage to malfunction. Go to Settings, scroll to General, and select Software Update. If there's an update available, install it. This can enhance your phone's performance and fix various issues, including those affecting iMessage. By following these steps, you should be on your way to fixing iMessages that aren't sending. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your messaging experience becomes smoother moving forward. If the problem persists, it might be worth reaching out to Apple's support for more tailored assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope everything is back to normal with your iMessages soon.